So Google can also create images right now, and you can do it right from the search bar, which is really cool, and I'm going to show you how. It's still a new feature, and you do have to opt in, and it's part of the labs.google.com. So first, you have to access labs.google.com, and preferably from your Google Chrome. All right. You're going to scroll down all the way to search and get started. You do have to opt in, and then you can just try an example. And here we go. It's going to start with, it's going to give you a simple example at first, just so you can see how it works. But then you can go directly on the search bar and you can ask for an image, like create an image of a dog eating birthday cake, because why not? And it's still new, so it's gonna give you the regular image search results. But right up here, you're gonna see get an AI powered overview of the search, and then you just go and generate it, and it takes a few seconds. And here we are. Cute dogs eating birthday cakes. You can be more specific, like you can do like cartoon style or realistic or painting. I didn't specify, so it gave me a few options, but the sky's the limit. And there you have it. I love the new technologies that Google are coming out with. I'm fascinated about the Gemini technologies, so I will definitely be covering more about it. So stay tuned for more updates about AI.